I'm Dave from Flagship Renewables. I'm here in Birkenhead at the Green Energy charging station where we've installed two TRENE 100 kilowatt, 215 kilowatt hour battery storage. So basically, if you can see behind me, we've got a big charging station where there's a load of electric vehicles being charged. The place is mainly out for the council, where they have electric taxis which charge here. A lot of commercial delivery vehicles charge here. The best thing about this place is they've got a full roof of solar panels, and the spare energy is now charging into the battery storage, the two TRENEs. This is then being able to distribute to all the vehicles through the vehicle charging points. So we've got three fourths, which are 120 kilowatt. These are all going to the battery storage. Also, just as a separate sort of entity, they've got a cafe behind us which is running on separate battery storage, and an X3 Fit. This is going to go, I believe there is 70 kilowatt hours of battery storage for that cafe alone. As you can see behind me, we have installed two SolaX TRENEs. These are capable of storing up to 215 kilowatt hours and kicking out 100 kilowatt power per unit, which we have tied into several SolaX inverters behind me. This then uses the panels on the roof and converts that energy using the inverters and then stores in the battery.
Yeah, I'm Sean Ali in a car and cab care. We've built a charge station called the Green Energy Charging Station, GECS, to charge my taxis. The public have reached out to me and said, can we charge, and local businesses. So we created a larger area so everybody can charge. The batteries will give me maximum power for at least 20 cars a day. So if we were charging these batteries up, it's worth around £300 worth of electric. So I'd rather charge them up at night time rather than in the daytime. So when we've got our bad weather and we're busy with chargers, we've already got the stored energy. So all the chargers are going to be not slowing down. And that's what it's about for me. It's about having the power and making sure that it's cost effective for the public and the trade and mobility. We found a company that is, understanding, because the equipment and everything and infrastructures is in the UK. And that's what the UK really needs.